You are about to spend money on a gym membership every single month for the next 12 months. Before you do that, watch this video completely, because what I am about to tell you might save you hundreds of pounds, euros, or dollars, and still get you the body you actually want. This is a home workout. This is a gym workout. Same goal: build muscle, burn fat, get stronger, look better. But the path to that goal is completely different, and choosing the wrong one for your situation can slow down your progress by months. Let me break both sides down honestly right now. Home workouts have built some of the most impressive bodies on the planet. No membership fee, no commute, no waiting for equipment, no judgment from anyone around you. You wake up, roll out of bed, and you train. That convenience alone removes one of the biggest reasons people quit fitness. The excuse of not having time to travel disappears completely. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, dips, planks. These movements have existed for centuries, long before gyms were ever invented, and they build real functional strength that carries over into everyday life. For a complete beginner, bodyweight training at home is more than enough to transform your body in the first 6 to 12 months. You do not need a single piece of equipment to start. You need floor space and commitment. That is it. Now let's talk about the gym. The gym gives you something home workouts cannot easily replicate: progressive resistance, barbells, dumbbells, cable machines, and weight stacks that go up in small increments. This means you can add weight every single week in a very controlled and measurable way. That consistent progressive overload is the engine behind serious long-term muscle growth. The gym also gives you variety: chest press machines, lat pull down, leg press, seated rows, exercises that target muscles from angles that bodyweight training struggles to hit. And there is something about the gym environment itself: the energy, the focus, the people around you who are all there for the same reason. That environment pushes many people to train harder than they ever would alone at home. For someone who has already mastered the basics and wants to push past intermediate level, the gym becomes a powerful tool. Here is what nobody in the fitness industry wants to admit openly: the best workout is the one you will actually do consistently. Not the most advanced program, not the most expensive gym, not the most technical exercise selection. Consistency beats everything. A person training at home 4 days a week for 12 months will always outperform someone who joins a gym, goes 3 times, and then stops because life gets busy or the commute feels too far. The difference between results and no results is not the location. It is the habit. Build the habit first, then upgrade the environment when you are ready. Home workout wins when you are a complete beginner just starting out. Your budget is tight and every pound or euro matters. Your schedule is unpredictable and consistency needs to be flexible. You struggle with gym anxiety and need a comfortable space to build confidence first. Gym workout wins when you have already built a solid foundation at home. You are chasing serious muscle growth beyond intermediate level. You thrive in a structured environment with other people around you. You want access to equipment that takes your training to the next level. So here is the honest truth after breaking both sides down completely: neither home workouts nor gyms are superior on their own. What is superior is starting right now, today, with whatever you have access to. If all you have is your living room floor, that is enough to begin. If you have a gym nearby and the budget for it, use it. Stop waiting for the perfect setup. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Your body does not care where you train. It only responds to effort, consistency, and time. Give it those 3 things in any environment and the results will come. That is a guarantee backed by science and by every successful person who has ever transformed their body. Now I want to hear from you directly. Are you currently training at home or at the gym? And if you are still deciding, drop your situation in the comments below. Let me know and I will point you in the right direction personally.